One of my childhood dreams was to compete at the world stage, the epiphany of sports, the Olympics. Imagine how amazing it would feel having the world watch you, competing against the best athletes in the world, striving for that gold medal or that Olympic world record. How amazing would that be? A lot of people have this dream, but I think a lot of people don't understand the struggle and the work and the focus that these athletes have gone through for years on end to be able to compete at this level. Their bodies are in optimal shape because they have pushed themselves so hard to greatness. These athletes, their mental toughness is incredible. They will put their bodies through almost anything in order to get that extra second or to get that extra leg above their competitor. And this is what people don't understand. Mental toughness is something that's inside of you, something that you can fight yourself through. Do you ever get that feeling that you can't go any further, whether it's in a race or at the gym or something else? You can't push yourself any further. Well, the thing about this is it's just a feeling. The feeling that you can't go any further. These Olympic athletes push through this because they know it's just a feeling. If they push their bodies more, they know that their bodies can achieve more than their mind is telling them they can. Their bodies are telling them, quit now, I can't do this anymore. But their mind is like, no, keep going, I know you can keep going. And if we can do this in other areas in our life, like running or projects that we're working on, if we can push through, continue on what we are working on, we can strive for greatness. Increase your mental toughness by pushing through that pain, pushing through that feeling of, I can't do this anymore. And then you will be that much closer to greatness. If you guys like this video and want to hear more, don't forget to like and subscribe down below or right here. And if you have any comments about mental toughness or the Olympics, go Canada, go. I'd love to hear them down below. Thanks, guys.